Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. So today we will create this incredible facade. This is facade actually the parametric, so I able to change it. I will show you example before we will start because you should know what you will learn. So I'll go to the manage and I will use the Dynamo. Yes, we will use Dynamo for that facade. So just few seconds and Dynamo will load up. So now I will find my nodes. This is here, Dynamo and Dynamo number 2. Let's load up. As I will later will show you what this Dynamo doing. Okay, now I will create here the one wall. I will create it here. Just few seconds. As you see, we did it. So now I will create the facades. Just run this script. Just few seconds, and as you see, we get our facade. This is exactly randomized, so it's not same as this one, and you can create much things than you think. So because now I'm just manipulating only with one parameter. So if you are interested, we will start right now. But before we will start create some incredible design, I mean use Dynamo for our panels, we should create the panels. So let's go to the file and we will create the new family, and you will find it here. Metric curtain wall panel, not based panel. We need to use the wall panel. So let's go to inside. Here, this is our top view, the plan view. I need to use, for example, the exterior view. Why not? And I will use the extrusion. Let's use extrusion, and after that I will use the rectangular, and that's it, I think. So let's create our panel. Corner to corner, I will lock everything. After that I will use the offset, like maybe 15 inside I will do, and I will make sure like I will copy. And now use the top. 15 is too small, let's make like 150. So use the top not working here, and doesn't matter, we can create it like this. And now I'm using the command trim to trim it. Let's trim it. And let's create it like fully parametric. So I will use the I command, and from the purple line to the purple line. And here the same I will do. The purple line, purple. Here they will do the same. And one more I will do here. Okay, awesome. So let's create the new parameter. That parameter will be like the profile W. So we'll do this profile W2. This one profile L, and this one will be also profile L. So we did it. We know the our profile. We can change our profile, and before we will say finish, we should create one more parameter here, the extrusion, and let's create here associated family parameter, and we will call it H, only H, nothing more. And let's say okay, done. So let's create our panel. Then let's go to the 3D view, and as you see, this is simple panel. Let's try how it's working. Like let's say I want to make like extrusion maybe 500 and apply, and as you see, this is extruded only in one side, not the both side, only one side. So this is what I want. So how is working our profile? Let's say 200 by 200. Yes, it's working, everything all right. So and as you know, I will create the new family. New project. Let's create the new project. Okay, here we are, and let's create the wall storefront here, maybe like 10 meter 10 meter. Let's go to 3D in this project, and I'll extrude like a bit more, like this maybe. And maybe I will do even like this. Why not? So as you see, here we have already some panels, and we will change it. Just select your storefront, edit type, and you will find it here, curtain panel. We will change it now, but we cannot now change because we didn't load inside this project. So let's load our new panel inside this project, load to project, and you can see here the project number 1, what we created right now. So I'm select now curtain wall, edit type, and here on under curtain wall panel I can change it now. You can see family 1. Let's change it and let's say OK. And as you see, the family was changed. So the other thing what I wanna do, I will go back to my family what I created, and I'll change few parameters. First parameters, I will go to the properties, and I will choose I will change the age to the instance parameter. Okay, so the second thing what I wanna do, I will go to the exterior view, and I will create the glass. Create extrusion, this line like this. Let's lock it everything. Okay, and let's make only 10 millimeters. And let's change the material to, for example, glass. Why not? We already have here the glass. Let's change to the glass, and let's say okay. Let's go to 3D now with our 3D, and I'll change the view to the shaded one. As you see, we get our panel. For example, if I will change now, it's maybe 300 here and 150 here. You see our panel, I mean glass, also changing. So let's load it up inside our project, and I will replace it or only override the type of my family. So now we will do some magic with Dynamo. So Dynamo part. We will open our Dynamo. You can find it on Manage Dynamo. Let's open up. Okay, a few seconds. Okay, here we are. Just a second. I will create with you guys from the scratch, so you will understand it better. Before how it's working Dynamo, we should find our geometry now. So to find our geometry, we should find our family. So family type. Okay, so our family type, this is the name, it's family 1. Actually it's not useful because maybe you will do some mistake. I will save it and I will change the name. Let's save it because I want to teach you how to work. Tutorials, and here, and I will save like panels dynamic. Why not? Hold on, it's something with my PC. Oh, dynamic. So let's say okay, and I will load up inside my project. Just a second, and now I need to change this panel because here it's still family 1. I will change it to dynamic. Let's find dynamic, A, B, C, D, family. Oh, I think it's here, sorry. Dynamic. Let's say okay. Let's back to Dynamo. Okay, here our Dynamo. And now we will change the family 1 to the dynamic. Where is it? Our dynamic. It's now hard to find. I will use the keyboard. It's here, panels dynamic. Okay, so let's choose it, and I will change the type to the manual because I want to use the manual. So now we need again use the family by family type. So let's load it up inside, and now if I will run, you can see it here, what type of the parameter we will get. So as I see, the Dynamo find 88 panels here. Okay, now we need parameter from that panels. How we can manipulate? Of course we need parameters. Family parameter by name, get family parameter. So it's not that one. I want parameter by name, parameter by name, get parameter by name here. So let's connect it element to element. Let's run it. Everything should work. No, it's not working because we should say what parameter we want. So I will use the string, because if you are using the letters, you should use the string. Let's use the string, and here I will write h. I need parameter h, and run it. And as you see, we get our parameter 500 for 500 for each panels. Now we should randomize it. But before I will randomize it, I need the set parameter by name to change the name. So I need to change the element, that one. Why it's so long working? So element and parameter. So parameter the same, h. And I need now change only value. So now this is Python time. Let's write the Python script, and we will use the Python now. We will connect like this, and like this. And if you know the Python, that's awesome. If you don't know, no worries, you can copy what I will write, and it will be work too. So the first thing, we need to load the library from the Python. So let's import system, and after that I will leave that one. After that I need to show the from where I should. So I don't need that one thing. And let's write Python underscore path equal r, and now we should write where is our folder. I hope the folder will be the same if you using the standard the standard installing process for Revit, so it will be for the folder the same. Program files, and after that I run Python 2.7 lib. So it's like this. After that we should finish like sys path dot append, and again py path. Okay, so this is only to load our library. So after that we will create the magic. So after that we will import random, because we want to create the random, right? So after that we can make like from Autodesk design script dot geometry, like this, and import. Okay, So what the next? Next we need the data. I deleted, but you can we shouldn't delete it. I forgot about that. Data. And in. So now will be our random script. So let's write response equal, and let's write what we want. So I will use the enter and tab. Oh, sorry, not first. We will write the what we want. For I in range len in so it will be like this, and double dots, and after that enter and tab. Value random dot, and now we will write Gauss. Let's make like by Gauss. I think you know what is it. So let's make like 1250 by 450 like this, and we will divide it by 300. Apply 300. Here I will write item value if value. So it means if my value will be below or equal to 0, Python will automatically make the height to 200. So, and let's finish our small code. Response and append again. So append I make with the mistake, here the double P, and response with response append. I think I didn't make some mistakes. Let's write here the response like this, and let's apply. Let's try it now. So, oh, we need the shuffle also. Let's write shuffle. Here we are, the shuffle, and let's make the shuffle. Oh, first I will show you what we will get. So here our numbers, and we will start. So I get some mistakes. Where I get the mistakes, you can see here. Iron Python script failed. So where is the failed? Let's check it first. I will check the fast. And as I see, of course, I did some mistakes. I forgot the one thing here, because here we have that one, but here we don't have it. And here the parameter I write like wrong, because here I'm writing with that one, here with the small n. Let's write with the big N, and let's accept that, and let's run it, and everything, as you see, working. So let's see what we will get. As you see, 1200, 200, 900, 1500, not only 500. So this is mixed up. And let's go to the list the value, and let's run it again. So the magic, right? As you see, we did it. Actually, we can do with any parameters that thing, really. So as you see, we can we can change the size. Let's go inside, and let's say the smallest one should be like 500, and here I will write like 2250. Let's accept, and let's say redo. As you see, if I will say again redo, it's not will change because the same parameters. So let's make the here maybe 600 and let's apply, and we'll change it. And as you see, we get added thing. So guys, as you see, we can create really nice facade with these simple things. That's it for today, and I think it was interesting for you guys. For those who want to download this model, you can support me, and you can find it on my Patreon. As a gift, you will get like 2 Dynamo scripts. For those who want to follow me, I will leave the link below this video, and you will find the picture with all Dynamo scripts. So you can follow me and you will learn more. Anyway guys, we will start now how we can create like interesting facade. I will start my series about that. We will use Grasshopper, we will use Dynamo, we will use whatever we have with whatever we want to get the more incredible facades. Because as you remember, facade is face of our building. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.